Midnight Hi, this is a quick Apple iSight Webcam replacement tutorial. 004 Step 1. Power off and disconnect your Mac. Place it on a flat, clean surface. 009 Step 2. Remove the outer bezel screws with a precision screwdriver. 014 Gently pry open the bezel to reveal the camera assembly. Lift slowly. 019 Step 3. Disconnect the camera cable connector by lifting the locking tab carefully. 024 Remove the faulty iSight module and note alignment for reinstallation. 029 Step 4. Position the new iSight module, align the mounting posts precisely. 034 Reconnect the camera cable until the connector clicks into place. 039 Secure the module with its screws, then reseat the bezel back on. 044 Step 5. Reconnect power and boot the Mac to test the camera. 048 Open your camera app and confirm video feed, adjust alignment if needed. 054 Final tip, tighten screws evenly, recycle the old module, and you're done.